Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know. Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Morning, Paris. Good morning. Me in our Uncle Murphy car. Uncle Murphy and Dad are three we are part today. We are got St. Mary. Guys say, gentlemen say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Alright, we're around the Gaja now. So let me greet you in a better way. Good morning to you. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a beautiful weekend and all of that. So I'm on the road there with Uncle Murphy. I say my prayer already. I'm going to ask for the coverage for we go to country and come back. But guess what? You see a whole heap of rain fall in Jamaica from the other day. I'm not telling a lie. I come out of the Gaja now. I'm never so nervous I come around the Gaja yet. I'm a driver and I saw how much 100 times in my life. I'm saying I see one trailer man come for Uncle Murphy a while ago. Uncle Murphy, yeah, Uncle Murphy did it on him gas. So me I go flip and show no what I go on. See? So you have to say with the Gauge done, right, Uncle Murphy?
Yeah,
but see the fact, yeah, where we are go through on the camera this, I just in a bagua. About 6 Uncle Murphy a little after 6. We cut out early. Yeah, 6:15 in the AM and all of that. So we dey on the road, I say I know up at them place up on my shoulder you feel one way. I like my nerves shake up and I see trailer man come around and we dey on the river part. No sir, but God come I'm not left without I put on the coverage. Wow. This out a bag walk you know. You saw the fog stay? Fog thick man. Them time of year in Jamaica when you go country. I saw the something. Wow. Is it out here stay? Yeah man. And I know nothing burn. That's just how it is right here. When it comes them time of year from now to all about you Uncle Murphy?
Yeah man.
From now to about December, y'all, not January too.
Yeah.
At them time I'm want to set me go live it cool and nice. Yeah man. So with that bag wax here, I don't know if we route already. We are turned now for head Rivers there. So look here. Set me we say we are go stick and stay. You don't know we are go our place. For me and own a place. See? I wish part this with the dad. Harry, look at the fog. Yeah, we're on our way. We're at Riversdale now, right? When you look on the flag, you can add the see the orange tree them over there. So look. Yep, and it is like we got it at about 6:30 now. Yeah, and it's really cool though. In gentlemen, it's cool, it's nice.
Cool, yes.
Yeah, we feel nice, yeah. So look at the fog of the fog. But it's like in and show you. Yeah man. We cut early because we want to come back early because by 12 o'clock rain and fall at daytime. And September month now, you know. So we're going to look for curry. They got a birthday present for curry. I'm not sure if I'm going to show up on camera, but we take a look around and we have curry birthday present. Me making tell you our date this month time birthday. I don't remember. Next clip.
Yeah. St. Mary with you again, you know. Yeah. You know,
Alan.
the morning.
Yeah, bless up to all of the people, you know.
I won't know how to do that. Wait one, where you do the curry?
We have been up a little spliff, you know.
A little ziggy, you
You
know.
have to catch an early morning
Med.
you know. Yeah. Give thanks to Jah. Rastafari.
Yeah, where I say Alan?
Yeah, so you don't know. Set me over there. Long time we don't meet up because you got the whole heap of rain and thing. But we give thanks and praise. Sat the morning are bright and pretty. Yeah. You know, so big up to all the people them. Set me over there.
Curry.
More love.
Yes, sir. And more blessings again, you know.
Uncle Murphy, are your favorite place that?
Of course, man. Bless up to everybody. You don't know.
Yeah. Roast brush I know.
Some breadfruit.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Have the day. We're not going to have the whole day.
Yeah,
but
because we are cut early.
Yes, we are cut early.
Yeah, we are going to roast some brush.
But just give thanks.
Yeah.
What our vibes.
Yeah, man. And all of that.
And I'm friend Earth Strong to come.
Yeah. Uncle Curry having birthday today.
Yes.
Uncle Curry, tell them when your birthday.
Yeah, 10th of this month, you know.
Yeah, man, and Uncle Curry done.
this
I
month.
done give him like a birthday present. I don't
Yeah.
feel like me I tell you no business enough. Now follow me on Debbie Deb's IG. Oh, no, we see Uncle Curry pose upside and birthday gift for an auntie give.
Yeah.
Don't say a word, Curry.
No.
Yeah,
No.
cool. How long we had? Yeah, weed up on our back here. Yeah, and you look like you did a laundry. Eh. Alan did a laundry on our back here. So we had to do some weeding up. You can't make a place grow up in Alan because the water rain and all of that. Yeah, brush and all of them niceness there. Yeah. The rain, all the digging at the bank and all of them something there. Yeah, Alan, can we start out some brush before the rain? You dig it up. Yeah. I want to set my plant before I left here, so. I want to set 2 plants. Uncle Murphy and Curry run our back, run our friend, let's chat. And it's great Curry that in that turning back, him no want to see nobody like you. Yeah, I feel a place with the Curry, I feel a place.
Yes, man.
Are we yard with there?
All the way.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Backyard.
Yeah, I want our back for now.
Back for no.
Yeah, we can't show them everything yet, you know. Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
All right.
When everything covered.
Yeah, everything. When everything Curry.
Curry.
All right? Good, sir. So, Jack Curry. Yeah, tell the people when you're the pan around our back with it. Up at top here. Tell them Curry, say a 2 yard. Tell them how the yard then go.
A 2 yard, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You have one at bottom and one at top, you know.
So we say bottom yard.
We call the one down at bottom, we call the bottom yard.
Yeah.
We call the top yard up a top yard with
Yeah.
it now.
Because.
So you see the top yard?
Yeah.
Carry a backyard.
At you.
You see what I mean? So we run at the back, you know, I light some fire.
Yeah.
And I try to see we can put an next fire, so we put on some
Some brush. Far from we are grew up come up in a 2 yard in a
Yes,
top
good.
yard and bottom
And
yard.
bottom
Because down at bottom they say the big kitchen.
Definitely.
You understand? And the little house.
Definitely.
So, them we don't want them get it mixed up. When they come, they must know where then they curry, whether right. Top yard or bottom yard.
Right.
So if you come and you get a drive to come and you're not supposed to lose. Tell them say you go look for Curry and Debbie up at top yard or down at bottom yard. Yeah. So them never see we up here, so burn the fire in a Curry.
No.
Yeah. So we are make them know.
We are making them know, say,
yeah.
But the top yard one of the backyard.
At you.
We there, right?
So we not them not supposed to lose. They're not supposed to get mixed up.
You understand?
Yeah.
Right.
So we are burn some fire. So more time. What tradition behind burning fire in your backyard more time, Curry?
Getting rid of some demons and some bad things where people pass through by doing them little evil at night time and all them things. So you know the fire.
Yeah.
Work around it.
Yeah.
Get rid of it.
Yeah. From if you are real Jamaican,
you have to have a backyard.
You're supposed to know say if you have a backyard and more time you feel what?
Light your fire.
Burn some fire in your yard. Yeah, man.
Make smoke run.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Next clip. I look on of here. Eh? So which part you said? Come here. How that? You know, like me, I call it forget. Look, come here. She, anytime I come, she always come to me, you know. Come, but Alana and house, she said. But nobody can go underneath the house. Yo, so come drop down the whole house, we drop down. Come. You know, nothing they can give her, Alana. We want the Thai bread, come. I'm a little girl, you know, I want some command phone. What is that you're picking up? Come. You know, so the funniest thing about it, when I come here, she always come to me. Yeah? But the rooster now run gone back, which part me buy him. For me, yes, the Bowshoe game, worry rooster. Love what? Come here, come.
Run, man.
Come. Dangerous rooster Bowshoe are there, you know. Fight at them. Lord have mercy. Mango are ripe, Uncle Murphy. Papa God. Yes, sir. That down a gully, the kuya. Uncle Dada, you that, sir? Sitting down a gully, they will come up with black mango. Come quick, ya boy. Roast breadfruit and black mango. What a combination. Murphy, laugh. Curry, roast breadfruit and black mango. We can't hungry when we that country and drink water. How we here chat about it? Roast breadfruit and black mango. And that around the country and want ice water. But we can't hungry. I'm hungry, I try beating, you know.
We don't know hungry.
That and that, you know, Parry. Mango from down a go lay. Put where the pan of water there. Right so we are near mango.
Mango.
Yeah. We not forgot bush go filter again. We have style it in the fish flush when the belly wall away. Water in a tank up there. Thanks be to God. Yeah. We not got no bush. Roast breadfruit and black mango, but the mango then come before the brush. Now the next clip or so, I don't know we see. Tio. That's how we live round our back. Hey. Mango. I real black I real black mango this in a curry.
Yes, man.
I see skin them.
Yes. Real
Man,
paper skin.
Me say.
Call them paper skin. Paper skin mango. Yeah, man. I syrup them, man. Syrup. I tell you, real syrup, auntie.
Who the man come here for him out there feed him first, don't know? Show them.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Daddy Murphy under them real black mango.
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
And Daddy run a bush mouth that to your gun cook. That's for the back of
Dad-
you, I know that.
That no nothing with the camera. Paper skin, brother. Paper skin.
Go there, get them. Get them out. Get them.
Drop off, man.
Drop them, drop.
I hope the virus go and then come and come here to a mango in the curry.
Me I tell you.
Hope it go by now, man. It's subside.
Me I tell you.
That then can come and come have like a happy time with
Yes,
the parent.
man. Yeah.
We'd really, on a serious note, we'd really love for a lot of you who want to really come and vibes with us to get to come. That you can get a little vibes with us, you know. Just, you know, for just feel the country
The
feel.
country feeling.
Some of you who are even not Jamaicans and would love to come and have a little time with me.
Yeah.
We are really anticipating that time.
True. True.
Yes. The curry, there's a fireman. If Bosch should in there, the fire would not blaze, you know. So what you say, yo, things are going around the bush mouth, yeah. Paris, what going here? I want to them brush there. I want to Alan look at here that take him. BCT. We been on a time for go make BCT, yeah. Yes, curry, the pear then come up good in.
From the right time, you know.
Mickey, but all them full up so quick, Parry, I take curry, take up here for you. Yes, Alan, give me some, take out that one, the curry, me show them. Them can't believe so the little pear them here, you know, curry.
I like peer them this one.
Yeah, we see, and the little pear them look like them, aye, curry. Yeah, the pear are ripe, you know.
Yes,
I drop them, I drop it now, we go pick them up, you know, so funny drop it. Aye, curry, hurry up, fire did there. And all of that, bike up past the road and we run a backyard up a top yard.
Yes, sir.
We sound like we in that something, curry. Jack curry.
Round at the back.
Round the back, Rizzy. See people them there? Rizzy that thought this a long time we don't see him. Yeah. So round the backyard,
Upper top yard.
upper top yard.
Yeah.
And it look like he better up here someone down a bottom yard.
Yeah.
We never look so good down there.
No.
Yeah. We like that. A real country like watch it the car. Watch it the car. I could show them Alan dirty pan the ground and rain wet up a pan and close the night for a country life party. You know, coming on me have some people, hell, that was those dirty pants. No, that's how we live our country. So we live. Yeah. And we're free. We are free. We're yeah.
Like a bird in the tree.
Yeah, you know how many people would love to come and vibe with us, Jackor? Them just have wait upon the virus. But we have a little something for show them so we can live better too.
Alright.
But we're not ready yet.
Alright.
Alan, how you body tear up so? What happened around there?
This is my bush clothes, you know.
A dog catch you? A dog carry you up a what? Where's Scooby?
Scooby the boat must have gone.
She survived the rain?
Yes, man.
Oh, in the house, she in there when the rain a fall, no? She, oh, you can't get Scooby out there, so. She can't have baby them?
Use this, like this, and put them in it.
Yeah. She not carry her baby them come show you yet?
No, carry them till they can walk, man.
Oh, then them the pitney down then takes so long for what? Mine, you know. Them push pitney then not get no good feeding.
Yeah, something that blaze.
Yes, them cook pumpkin and tin mackerel and...
No man, looking at me on the camera and tell the people. How they? A foreigner? Oh boy, my work man coming back from foreign, but me don't show no him. Where you cook for Scooby yesterday, Alan? Tell the people that you have to look at the camera.
Pumpkin and tin mackerel. Mash it up like baby feeding and game.
Yeah, me like how Scooby I live. Yeah.
Yes, why with your mango bush. Camera dad, with your mango bush man. But whole heap of mango but look like them are spoiled, them are the tree are ripe long time. Tree are ripe long time. You look like them spoiled, pure spoiled mango. Where want to name Alan? Number 11 no? Number 11 mango. Ooh. Whole heap of spoiled mango. Man not good. Anyway, we have to go our next mango tree. So these no good. These spoil off. These look like some worm mango. The good one them. Okay. Yeah. And then we look good on the outside, and when you peel them off, you know. Yeah. See a worm in them. And then I chop out dry coconut. Uncle Murphy, mango them hold you. Eh. Look like that no good, Alan.
Yeah, look plant too.
That no good. That no good neither.
Yeah, you don't mash short.
Oh. Good. Mosquito. That one good.
A bush a spoil.
Hold on there. Yeah man, alright, go ahead now.
Yeah.
Banana this now. Oh.
Nice boiled banana.
Okay.
Yeah, that country, you can't hungry, so
You're hungry. You're hungry.
Maybe that parks with a sauce of banana we cook.
Yeah.
With
Tell
the
you. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Banana and pick up saltfish.
I
Tin mackerel.
I curry chicken.
Yeah.
Curry chicken. Yeah.
Oh, through the breeze blow down that now, them one day pop off.
It come like a good all.
Them damage.
Yeah, let's sit in past one.
Yeah, damage them. This is what what name was? Pumpkin. Oh, this soon start there, ne? Okay.
Show them curry.
Me are the real sweet in
Here they come rush me.
Yes, sir.
Here they come.
Sweet in the
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Original sweetie mango.
So original.
Sweetie, come brush me. Show them the shape of the sweetie come brush me curry.
Look
Curry.
for the shape of it.
Yes, sir.
The shape.
I go rub to you now.
Yes, sir.
Parry me a feed me face here. Come on, come my face. Salt and brush around a bush mouth here, boy. Come, we just done eat mango. Breadfruit are nice, you see? Breadfruit time. Oh, God.
I have to know if you roast the breadfruit.
The breadfruit, then no salt. Curry, what is salt for me? The breadfruit, then no salt in a jacker.
No, if you don't want
No,
to
the pear then kind of fluxy, but we know if we work around fluxy pear. Uncle Murphy?
Yes.
Yeah, the pan camera. What if we not care if we want the pan camera? We care.
Up on camera.
Yes.
Man.
Breadfruit and pear.
Me
The
a
one
tell
that
you.
him hold up camera up in our food face and by the time hold up them in our face.
Curry.
Yeah. It's all about the real pear. Breadfruit. Ready roast breadfruit. Rastaman food. Yes, we eat anyhow, you know.
I am going to you for what? Alan! Sorry, Parry is the work man. He might use him equipment in the background, you know?
Look at all bad for the breadfruit.
Mr. Iwasia, you think I'm so tan good on the backyard up here, I want to cook. I don't go back down there. Where you say? Food street your bad. So them want to go out there so bad.
Yeah, man.
A country with there.
Country with there. Eat the fireside, breadfruit. Tell you.
Put that more side,
Country
correct.
with there.
Don't give me too much title, you know, correct. You know, look at pressure I go on there. The start of it make me win up myself, you see? I don't come and look at wash there.
breadfruit.
Yes, man.
No one else see, man.
Wash me, everybody.
Come here, Alan. Yeah, Lord have mercy. Yeah. It's cool.
Good lemonade.
Ah, good, sir. Curry, this have to wash down the breadfruit and the pear. And this have to second way up with the mango.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer.
Make sure someone knows.
Alan? Curry said, make sure we do the one use a toilet. Alan, we are burying a toilet.
I'm going to have like a madman.
Judgment on the road. Judgment.
Judgment.
When you hold the corner, them you don't hold nothing, you don't hold no link, you hold it straight.
And tighten your
And
body.
lock your body. Lock it down, you know, straight.
Next clip. Let me don't know yet where you cook tomorrow, Alan. Alan want 1 Cuba white fall.
1 Cuba white food.
100 pound bag of rice.
Every Sunday you see him grab one. Every Sunday.
Woo! Take time there. Yeah, fire still a burn, right, Jacor? Yeah, when we're that country, you must parry. You must learn anywhere you live. Once it is okay for you, sometimes you feel light a little fire in your dwelling. Yeah, keep off all negativity, you know? Keep, you know, there's some positive, look, you know, some people come around and then come with some little...
The fire build energy, you know.
Yeah, man, some little negative energy then carry around you, you know? And come around like a foolishness and... It's what I say. Alan, what that you go on? Alan have some lovely greens here, you know. Alan, your production, them here? No, them here are Jason production. But now I get to see Jason farm today because Jason is a Sabbath man, so Jason in them something there today. So I have some color lawyer. The greens them look healthy to Alan. No man, we not fertilize them. You could no. Them nice, me nice. Yo, show people them the greens, them the Alan man.
Yeah, man, see them.
So them the color no man, Alan, pretty piece of color them yeah. And the rain them yeah, no worm in. The rain beat the leaf them. Yeah man, nice little boy. You know find it. So where we are gonna put it?
I'm never get something on plant.
But me want to plant before me left Alan man. Put the greens them up there so. It's a curry at the right brush of that. So both sugar wedding, so we're going. Him can't get out of the wedding mode yet.
Also,
Joe.
also look like King Kevin if I want. You can find a good pan cigar at the wedding.
So I'm never end up at the wedding? No. Curry by the best. Curry breadfruit that look mellow, it turn more like a piece, you know.
Also just steal.
So I'll undo the pear. Oh, see pear there. Yeah, plumber ave. Yeah, breadfruit and beer toilet work. Yo, Alan, me know what's every minute you come with is so big all green base. Alan, why your base never feel so big, yeah? No, sir, boy, Alan, you love your gut. No, sir.
I drink soup, you know.
I hope that this Alan drink soup, you know. Ain't nothing got toilet. A one tank full of water, you know. I'll be a tank. Alan, you make people over there. When Alan see breadfruit and he pay and laugh and they smile.
Yeah.
And 1 gallon of sugar water. Alan, you're the best. Alan.
When I start digging today? Well, I'm going to finish the cup indoor.
I don't think so, no plumber. Because when Alan name them breadfruit and pay and drink sugar water, me no.
See, dry part, the dry part, if you concentrate on the land.
Yeah, man, I take up one.
All the dirt them there.
Good. They can't take away one.
No man, give plumber make him want eat, man. Come on, somebody eat. Me just want to taste it, catch you return. Yeah, plumber for a boy, you know. Plumber no fi angry himself on the cow. I warm the pear and the breadfruit, I warm up it. That's why I say, yo, plumber, set up what I tell it, them there, man. It now go normal and the mango, them. Mango, pear and breadfruit. No, sir. That toilet have to die. Yeah, add couple cases of tissue.
No.
Who want pear?
Pear, who want pear? Come on, Murphy.
Who want the pear?
I mean, I drive, right?
Yeah, man, yeah,
Every time I say, me want.
Turn on.
Bush, you want to turn off figure bush?
And tell you the car and blow too much time.
Bush.
Something along the line, eh? Something along the line.
Murphy, you look like you love the pear, the breadfruit.
This is when I this man, I mean, you carry blow come.
No, they tell me, say, Uncle Murphy, 2 top curry. Me say, me don't eat if I reach a deep corner. Me don't want you to stop.
I know say I go look out.
Me say, weird.
The funny brother sit down and me say, me have to see how carry this brother.
Alan, me don't like how you walk around the thing and I look cutting, you know. You say, Alan, you like breadfruit, give me size, curry breadfruit turning, breadfruit nice, man. Breadfruit nice. And you're going to your wife up the salt, so.
What's up, Mr.
What's up, you help yourself, man?
Brush her.
Help yourself, man.
Everybody, Jason, you want, brush her.
You see me, I tell you, no, say.
Jason, I sleep while I eat breadfruit. Come here, come in, I want to say you're afraid. I'm not put it on the camera, when you put your hand. Oh, I'm not one to say, I'm not put your face in there, but them no sit for Jason and there. Alan, I want you to have, you know, let me see how the pear, I'm nervous. I'm just nervous when I see Alan with the pear. Salt down in the pan already, you taste, you know, see this is salt left down in the pan. Breadfruit turn, you know. Rub up your breadfruit down in the pan. I'm not trouble no more pear. Right now. Breadfruit turn out nice, you see curry. I want case of toilet paper. 1 case of 100. I have 100. Remember say I want me pay them just I warm up, you know. I don't know where the breadfruit here come from again. In a yellow belly? Breadfruit tree round there, sir? The breadfruit tree round there, sir, Alan? Yo! So the plant look good.
Oh, you
keep Rasta man. But I don't know this is somebody I know. No Dwight. Me right. If I say Dwight, Terence is Dwight. I never hear you. Me never hear Dwight. You're good. Me not ask if you're good. Me say you're good, man. Yeah. I don't want plant this.
Yeah, man, I want plant.
You're good. Yeah, man.
I want plant this, I'm come Murphy. Yeah. No, go there's a man. No, man. Jesus. Deliverance. No, sir. Yeah, man, feed something them not play up with them. Yeah, throw the pumpkin there. A year egg. So only you alone order egg.
Oh, me alone.
Yeah, we are pay for everything. 7. You forgive 750 for egg.
What you say?
Me never know, so me come in and me keep talking and nobody never answer me. Me never know since me come here, so me not see. Do I still about you? Me never remember me get no answer. Okay, when me come back again then, yeah? Yeah, hey Murphy, I want serious farmer this year, man.
You must man farmer.
Yo, when me I tell you, you know, you see all the big, me tell you, you see when I come to color and pumpkin. I tell him, man, yeah, Uncle Murphy, your car back look good.
Yes.
Look at me now. Just look at me now. Just look at your car back now.
God. Oh.
Good, sir.
Wow,
Yes, sir.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Me love country.
What you have again?
No, man, we are breadfruit, man. When we come again, Bonnie, if you can, because we depend hurry. Yeah? When we come, we will just start you out first that you can start with out before. You understand? Yeah, take him number now. Take him number now. Take bar the pen. Yeah, man. We look good around our bush mouth. Your party, please comment. We look good.